The furniture doesn't fit, the layout feels off, and nothing is planned. So this transformation shows how proper planning fixes the space. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas, you get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. In the living area, the furniture now defines a clear zone. Next, the dining area. The dining space stays connected but not crowded. Lastly, the bedroom. The setup keeps everything simple and organized. So, if your home feels cramped or hard to use, it's not about the size, it's about the plan. When the layout works, the furniture fits, and every piece has a purpose, your space becomes easier to live in. Instead of guessing what to buy or where to place it, start with a clear design plan. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.